Hello. So today I'm gonna present the project that we're tasked to do, which was the educational video platform with a CI/CD pipeline. My project, as we were tasked, is divided into microservices. I made it so that each service has its own GitHub repo, as you can see. Watch the service, video streaming service, and user auth service. I should mention also that my front end is just stored in an S3 bucket statically, and that's the fourth part of the project. Now, what AWS functionalities did I make use of? Well, firstly, I used CloudWatch quite a bit to monitor how the backend um, what what responses does the backend send once deployed. I made use of DynamoDB to store users when they register, and also videos metadata, which proved to be quite useful. I also used Amazon Elastic Container Registry to store Docker images and yep, so Docker images. I also made use of the load balancers, which actually enabled the backend to be reachable by the front end by forwarding traffic um, that is being sent to it to the corresponding service. Um, I should mention that each service has its own task definition family, which it uses to run the tasks. And one thing that was a bit hard when developing the project was this health check here, and making sure that it works in correspondence with the load balancers. It took quite a bit of time, but eventually I figured it out. Now for the S3 buckets, as I mentioned, use them for to store the videos themselves, and also the front end is hosted on an S3 bucket. Now let me show how the application works. This is the initial page. We have a login, which I will show you how it works. Simply, that's one of the users in the database. This part here is supposed to resemble the YouTube recommendations option. You can select a video and play it. This is a sample video I uploaded. It's only 6 seconds. That's right. You have the option to add it to your watch list, but let's first see. We have one video to our watch list, but we can add another. For example, this one. There we go. When we go to the watch list, now there is the new video. We can also remove it from the watch list. Yep. We have also the option to upload a video, which is going to be the same video that I played earlier, but for the sake of showing the functionality, description, tags, from and public, and then we click upload. That also works. Now I'll go back and re-enter to show you that it updates into the gallery. There we go. This is our video. We can also watch it. Yep. Now, that's the main functionalities. It doesn't look very pretty, but it works. How does the CI/CD pipeline exactly work with my project? Well, when I upload an update to the main branch, to any of the GitHub repos for the services, it first um, sets up the AWS client, logs into Amazon ECR, and it builds the uh, Docker image and uploads it to the ECR repository. Then, after it has uploaded the image to the ECR repository, it makes a new task definition for the service, and it registers it, and it also updates the service with the new task definition. That way, whenever you make updates, it just uses the latest version. Now, let's see it in action. In the user auth service, we will add a simple log line, this one right here, line 78, which will just log the user ID after you have logged in to your account. Login. Yeah, here we can see we output